completely sealed in gray epoxy. Press the old bushing out, there it goes. New polyurethane bushing, a little grease, set it in and press. Hear that squeak? Perfect. Second one the same way, ball joint slides in, 2 bolts, snug, torque to spec, spring going in now, seat it, and that's a brand new front suspension. Tighten until it bottoms, there we go. Perfect lip, thread it in by hand first, caliper slides on, pin started, watch the bubbles move out, almost clear, solid stream, lock the bleeder, and smooth spin, brake system complete. Let's add a gram right here on the balancer, spin it back up, close, still a hair out back here, tiny drill kiss, and we should be there. 0, perfect.
Following the original contour line, smooth cut. Vinyl slips over like a glove. Keep it centered. First hog ring. Listen for that click. That's factory tight. Chrome trim snaps in just like 69. And there we have a brand new Z23 bucket seat.
Headliner down smooth, trim locked, factory tight.
Tape rides right at 7 and 7. Press it flat, no bubbles. Curve looks good, symmetry's perfect. Ready for black. Easy coming down, little tilt back, that's it, right over the studs. Threads are grabbing, click, click. Seat it home. Transmission lines up, bolts started.
Aluminum tape first, press it right into the channel. You can feel it tacky and smooth. Windshield coming in, set the bottom edge, drop it straight down, a little pressure around the frame. Listen for that soft seat. Chrome top trim clips in, work from one side to the other. Side pieces, perfect.
Right there, snug, perfect. See how it shuts? Nice. Hood next, dead even. Trim clicks, done. That's a wrap.
ready.